1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Hanggang ulit. Hanggang angas sa gym, ha? Relax lang. Relax pa, dahil. Push ka lang ulit. Dahil. Halap ka. Nice one. Good. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Because pa rin hanggang C4. Nice one. Good. Then shoulder. Relax lang. Then push. Nice one. Good. Push. Nice one. Good. Then thoracic. Simula. Tingnan lang. Thoracic spine. Diba? Tamaan ka hanggang. Tamaan na dyan. Papalo ka dyan. Yun. Thoracic spine. Relax. Good. Ayun. Yung mukha kayo muscle. Okay. Very good.